What's up? This is Nikki. This is my channel. I don't fucking know. I am here in my office space and I want to show you some of the things I found today. This is not going to be a total show of everything in my office, but I will show you what I found today. Let me flip the camera. Alrighty. So we are going to start off by showing this. This is a rusty shovel that was broken. Just looks really cool. I think it fits with the vibe. Snake skin, awesome. And now the next thing I found was this stink bug, I believe. And I think it may be alive. It was backwards and ants were on it. But I pinned it. This is the first time I've ever pinned I didn't pin its actual body. I just pinned it to where I would like it to stay, hopefully. But I don't know if I'm just scared and I'm moving it and its antennas are moving, or if it's just on its last little breath. But we'll see if it's here tomorrow because I'm about to leave the office. And then the last thing I got, those are some of my other finds that I can show you later. But this right here is one of my favorite finds recently. These are roly-polies that are dead, and their exoskeleton, got a hair in there. Their exoskeleton is white. So I just think that's so cool. And I think now if I ever were to come back as an animal, I would come back as a roly-poly. So that's all I have for my room. Thank you for watching. I guess I could show you these. I pick flowers, or not pick, I find dead flowers on the ground. And I wanted some white ones. And I just let them dry out naturally. Should probably learn how to do it better so they're not crumbled like this, but I just like the natural look. And then hair, and then a bug. But yes, I'm gonna collect more later this week and maybe I'll show you more progress. Maybe I'll just post this. But thanks for watching. Alrighty, so this is the next day and I swear I just keep getting blessed with things that I cherish, and I have an affinity for cicadas, and I find the shells of the cicadas going from the larva to the insect. I don't know the correct term, but I went outside to the courtyard of my office and wanted to go just listen to music, a song outside, feel the vibes, and I'm gonna move my camera monitor over here. I found this guy. I was a little shocked when I first looked at him, and then I realized what it actually is, and it is so much heavier than the shells. So I'll show you a shell first and then I'll show you that. So here is a cicada shell. When they exit out, you can see the top where it kind of explodes from the top, just like Aliens versus Predators for the pregnant ladies. And then here you can see it has like little claws and little feet it tears out of. You can see its little eyes. There's no color in its eyes. It's just all one color. These are the only ones I've ever seen in person. So I went outside to go listen to a song and I looked at the ground and I wasn't sure what this bug was. I wasn't sure if it was a stink bug. I just set out a stink bug and I was like, I don't need that one. But I was like, let me go look. And I'm afraid to open it or to touch it, but it is hardened, so I doubt it can do anything. But here is the chrysalis, or the catalyst, or whatever you'd like to call it. And you could see that his eyes are black. He's starting to turn green. He's in the process of his change, and he was just laying on the ground. And I didn't want anything to happen to him, and I would love to see the changes and like how it forms. So I would like to keep him somewhere like on this and let him change in this room, you know. Such a vibe. So there he is. He's just gonna be sitting there. Hopefully he will change and go through the process. I don't know if them being disrupted and like falling down from wherever they molted from or latched on for their chrysalis for their change. I don't know, but I'm just very, very happy to have found it. Such good vibes. And then here is the stink bug. It was, I couldn't tell if it was still alive when I was doing this or if it was just me like getting scared at any of the movements that were happening, but these pins did not go into his body. They just went under his legs to just keep him there, so whenever he does die and harden, I had him spread out, because I've never done that with any of my bugs. So I'm just really happy. Can't believe I found that. Such a cool thing to find. And I want to like start like a glass area over here to like put my bugs and the things I find, because it's such a vibe. But maybe I'll check back in. I don't know, but like this room, I love it.